Hey guys, how are you? Andy Sukup, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. I want to talk to you guys about co-signing for people. And we've done videos already on this topic, and the videos are on our YouTube channel. But recently, I've seen a lot of clients coming to our office, and they're co-signing for someone's car or their mortgage. If you're gonna co-sign for someone's financial, whatever you want to call it, a car or however you want to call it. If you're going to help someone co-sign to get something, you need to understand the risk that you're putting yourself into, okay? So, for example, obviously the reason why someone has asked you to co-sign is because, one, they either don't have the income or they don't have the credit. Or I should actually reverse that. They don't have the credit first, and they don't have the income second to get the transaction complete that they're trying to do. Whatever, most of it is trying to get a car, get an auto loan, right? Or get a home, purchase a home, need a co-signer. Now, when someone does not have their financials in order and they're asking you to co-sign, that's a red flag, because if they can't manage what they have now, by you co-signing for them and they're getting opening up another transaction where they have to make monthly payments, 9 out of 10 times they're going to default on it, right? They may not default for the entire term of the transaction, but they are going to make some mistakes 1, 2, 3, or 4 times down the road. Now, when they do that, that's going to equally affect you, okay? And if that happens, your score is going to take a hit. Now, when you co-sign for someone, you cannot just have them remove you off of the loan or the mortgage. What that person has to do is go to a financial institution. Like, for example, if they have a car, they would have to go to a credit union, which would be the best source for them to refi that car to get it out of your name and get a whole new loan on their own. But their credit may not be sufficient to get a loan on their own. Same for a mortgage. You can't just go take your name off of a mortgage loan. That person has to refi that mortgage into their name and get a whole new bank and get a separate loan, pay that off in order to take you off. So a lot of people are confused that when you co-sign for someone, if they decide not to pay, or if they made some blemishes on the payments or missed a few payments, that they could just take themselves off. No, you cannot take yourself off. That person that's the original, that actually took out the transaction or actually asked you to co-sign, they have to refi that loan into their name with a whole new bank and then take you off of it. So the reason why I'm talking about this, because like I said, we have a lot of clients that are coming through our office with co-signing for one of their friends, family, spouse, auto loan or mortgage, and it's affecting them now. And now, when it's time for you to go get a car or a mortgage, that's late payment that person made that you co-signed for is going to affect you. It's going to affect the rate. It's going to affect your approval rate. So there's a lot of negative things that are coming along the line if you're co-signing for someone that don't have the necessary financial needs, credit score, or the income to get the transaction done on their own. So I just want to put that in your ears, put that in the buzz. Like, think twice before you do it, especially in this economy, and especially with the rates dropping. You may want to buy your home, you may want to get a car, whatever the case may be. You want to make sure that you're thinking twice for your co-signing. And I know it sounds hard and it sounds harsh not to do it, but you can't help everybody, right? So just think twice about that. If you have any questions, comments, or if you're in a situation where you did co-sign for someone and it's affecting your credit now, give our office a call so we can try to put a solution together for you to get you out of this situation. Again, if you have any questions, comments, drop it below, and I'll try to answer it for you guys. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.